to my first moving video of the Moving into Post-Grad series. Today we're actually moving into my post-grad apartment, and in this video you are going to see a completely empty apartment tour, us moving out of my college apartment into this apartment, setting up furniture, getting my new couch, those fun things. And it'll continue into a second moving vlog as well, just as I continue to move into this apartment over the next 2 weeks or so. I'm so excited to say that this video is sponsored by Verizon 5G Home Internet, so I can't wait to share all that with you. But first, let's look at an empty apartment tour. I'm about to go into my apartment for the first time ever, my new apartment. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so freaking excited. This is a studio about 660 square feet, so it's a very big studio in Nashville, Tennessee. If you want to see my apartment hunting video, all the other units and things I toured, I will put that in the cards and in the description box. But we are going to tour this space. It's a brand new build. I'm literally the first person to ever live in this unit. I'm so excited to start my post-grad life, my non-student life, my adult years journey in this apartment. And let's get into the tour. It'll probably be quick because it's a studio, right? So here is the door when you first walk in. I didn't realize this when I was touring, but there is space here that I could put a little entryway table, little mirror or something, and hooks. But there is also this adorable cubby. I had never seen a cubby in an apartment before this, but so cute, gonna be super useful. And then here, my last apartment didn't really have a pantry. This one does. I'll be able to keep appliances in here, like juicers, stuff like that, blenders. We have my fridge. Only thing is the fridge does not have a water dispenser, so I will have to go back to using a Brita, but that's okay. Lots of cabinet storage. Honestly, one of my favorite things about this apartment is the under cabinet and over cabinet lighting. I wanted that so badly in my last apartment, and now that I have it, it just feels like a dream come true. So we got microwave, oven. We walk through here, a big sink. Love that. Dishwasher, fantastic. This is Nashville, so you're gonna get the dishwasher, you're gonna get the in-unit laundry, all of that. We have this huge space, which is the majority of the apartment. I'm gonna go to the other side. This is what it looks like. We have the living room on this side and this little extra square footage here because this is the bigger studio. So this is where I'll put my couch, coffee table, TV, all those things. And then there's this dividing wall, which is really what sold me that I could have a studio apartment. Is there's a little bit of separation between here and the bedroom side. So as you can also see over here, there's a built-in desk, which is super nice. I'll see if it's big enough for me and all that I do. But yeah, and then you have this tons of extra space. This is the extra square footage over here where I may put another desk, a dining table, little things like that. And then this will be my bedroom half. So be able to put my bed here, a mirror or pictures up on this half of the wall. The TV will go on the other side. Then we're going into the bathroom, which is honestly makes it feel not like a studio at all. I have this beautiful mirror here. Lots and lots of cabinets. Honestly, more storage in this than I do in my 2-bedroom right now. This bathroom lighting is everything I could wish for and more. I'm so happy that I can now film my morning and night routines in my bathroom, like doing my skincare, and it's gonna look actually good. And then we have the shower, which I was so happy that this was a standing shower. Stunning, stunning shower with shelves in it, which is phenomenal. 2 hooks for towels or bathrobe here. I just love the black and white theme in this apartment. It feels modern, but still cozy. Over here, another towel rack, toilet, all the things. Then we have the closet, which again, this closet is like the size I feel like of some studios. Huge closet, which this is gonna be also inventory room for me. So it's probably not gonna be all filled with clothes, especially this little corner. Like I'm thinking I'm just gonna put my inventory, my journals and books all in this built-in organizer. But this is kind of cute, you know, to have your special pieces, maybe new pieces that I'm incorporating, some storage up there, and then of course the in-unit laundry. I've never had my laundry in my closet, but I'm really excited to have that. I think it'll be super easy to just throw things in. All right. All right, let's talk about setting up home internet because it can sometimes be a long and stressful process. But I recently found out about Verizon 5G home internet and it makes the process simple, easy, quick, and affordable. So I wanted to share it with you all. You can have your home internet set up in just 3 steps using Verizon's simple setup guide. It means you can have quick and easy setup without having to wait for a technician, for installation appointments, and there's no messy wires. Verizon 5G home internet is also affordable, so that's why I wanted to make you guys aware of this offer because I know a lot of you are like me, we're moving into our first or second apartments and affordability is definitely something we have on our minds. The price is the price, guaranteed, so there's no annual contracts, no data overages, no equipment charges, or extra fees. There's also a risk-free 30-day satisfaction guarantee with both plan options. Make the switch to Verizon 5G home internet with plans starting as low as $25 a month with a qualifying mobile plan. So thank you so much to Verizon for sponsoring this video. You can find more details in the description box. And now let's get back to the moving vlog. It is Sunday, it's Mother's Day, and my family, after our Mother's Day brunch, helped me bring in a lot of stuff. We got the couch, we got the bed, everything. So that was super duper helpful. I'm really so thankful for Lucy's dad and brother, my dad and brother, mom, and Jimmy, who's still here. I love this couch, guys. It is everything I thought it would be and more. It's from All Modern. I'm gonna link everything below, but it is beautiful. It's like this tufted fabric, and I just have to figure out kind of what pillow. I think I want one in the middle. And then Dad put up my TV wall mount. We're gonna wait to put the TV up, but at least the mount is there because there's not enough room for like a TV stand or anything. So we're gonna have the coffee table, which I need to order one here. My little table set up over here, dining table. And then next to conquer is the bed. And we're trying to figure out whether to put the bed on this side and like make this over here more of a space for an office area, or put the bed right up against this wall like you'd probably be expected to do and put a desk over here. So we gotta figure that out, and Jimmy is gonna help me put this together. So guys, I ordered a new toaster, well, a toaster, because the one in our apartment was Lucy's, and we all know the Smeg toaster is so cute, but so expensive. So I found this little dupe on Amazon. This is the box. It's like $30, and it has that cream look. It's retro, just enough settings. So we are gonna open this up. I think it's gonna look so cute. So I'm trying to figure out where exactly to put it, but I love it. All right, it's the next day. I'm here with mom. She stayed an extra day, and we are gonna do a little bit of shopping before we continue to move. We got another car full of things from the old apartment, but we're here at favorite place, Container Store, and we're gonna go into West Elm too and see
and
all
conquer.
that they have.
We're conquering today
in under 2 hours. got some guava for lunch. Oh, it looks so good. Yum. All right, we just got back from our little shopping trip. Didn't find anything in the West Elm store, but I'll probably purchase some things online. But I thought I would end this moving vlog on this Container Store haul. Just show you guys all the fun organization stuff I got, and I'm still gonna go back and get more at a later date for like my workspace area, and also if I wanna do my fridge or pantry. So the big thing that we needed was an organizer for the utensils. Don't have the utensils yet, but hoping this is gonna fit. We're gonna try it out right after this. Just this bamboo 6-section drawer organizer. And then I got this large sink dish mat for drying, just because the sink is really big, but I don't have a lot of counter space. So I'm gonna save space and put it over the sink. Hopefully that fits too. Then we just got this under the cabinet paper towel holder, again to save some counter space. It just goes over the cabinet. This I'm gonna put on the wall in my closet to hold laundry and other cleaning stuff for the laundry. I didn't have room, I feel like, for a whole cart, but I think I just can fill this up with like my little laundry detergent pods, and that will be good to go for laundry organization. And then lastly, we got a sink sponge holder and another Scrub Mommy. I've actually never tried these before. Let's see if it actually fits. Okay, it's a little tight. Maybe when it gets wet, it'll fit a little better, but there we go. For in the sink. So that was it for this moving into post-grad episode 1 on my channel. I am so excited for this series. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, again, thank you to Verizon for sponsoring this video. Check out the deals they're currently offering on their 5G home internet in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be my graduation week in the life. So it's gonna be a big one. Look out for it. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.